All right. We got another section called Pro Tips.
Pro Tips.
And Pro Tips is for the newbie, somebody trying to get their first laundromat. What advice would you give to them?
All right. You're going to love it. Learn and launch.
Yes.
All right. So figure out what it takes and go after it. That's easy for me to say, right? Because I didn't figure out anything. I just went after it. But as I got into it and realized that it required me to do some learning, I did. I really spent evenings, I spent weekends. I was so excited when I started finding Laundromat podcasts were available, and books, and the industry has never been more ripe. CLA, all these organizations have fantastic and robust amounts of information. Yourself, Dave, there's several other mentors out there that can help people avoid the pitfalls and realize truly what it takes, but also give them encouragement to go, hey, you've been looking into this, get after it. So learn, then launch.
Yeah, I love that. And double bonus points for double alliteration. So, I mean, you're on fire today.